What's going on, everybody? Gonna jump on here to knock out the washer. Okay, the washer. So first we got to take a look at what is going to make sense to start off with. I'm gonna use the front view on this idea. We have an outer diameter of about 8 millimeters and an inner diameter of 3.7 millimeters, and then it's extruded out about 0.8 millimeters. So this thing's pretty small. We're looking at brass, and we should get 0.252 grams. That's an estimation. It could be a little bit bigger, could be a little bit smaller. So let's check this out. So I'm going to come out here, come on the front view. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. We're going to create some circles, right? So the first circle that I notice, many of you have your preferences saved in inches, okay? So I'll do this on the first part, but after that, it's going to save in millimeters. So instead of us typing in millimeters every single time, what I'm going to do is go right here to document settings, and I'm going to actually change my document settings from inches to millimeters. That's going to save us a lot of time. Now, instead of having to redimension every time, we're going to be able to just type in 7.8. It's going to assume that we're referring to millimeters, which is awesome. I'm going to hit the C button for circle, and then I'm going to type in 3.7, hit enter. I have my fully dimensioned concentric circles, right? Let me come out here on the isometric view. We're going to hit E or click the extrude button, and we are going to extrude this by 0.8 millimeters, okay? Some things that are going to make sense. Let's go ahead and rename this. We're going to call this the washer. That is going to save us some time in the future. We're also going to change the physical material. If you don't know, the brass was elected right there for the material. Looks like I got some ideas loading here. I'm going to go into metals, and we're going to find brass. It's alphabetical, and I am just going to make the material brass. So how do we know that that's working? You go back to right click on washer itself. Let me get out of materials. We'll close that. So now we like that our washer is made of materials. We're going to click properties, and we are going to realize that this body right here is made up of these ideas. And right here, mass 0.252, that's going to be perfect. We are done with our washer. Excellent work. Looking forward to seeing what you do next.